So with the rectangular alpha mask, we can create this wife text animation as you can see right now on your screen. So let's begin here in Kdenlive. In the project bin, right click and add a color clip. You can change the color to whatever color by coming to the clip properties here and go to the color palette here. And then you can select any color and click OK. In the project bin, just drag this clip onto your timeline. And then let's just extend this a little bit up here. Go back again to the project bin, right click and add a title clip. And then in the text editor, type in your text. Once you finish, we need to align this text to the center. So come up here in the alignment here and in the horizontal alignment, just click that to align it to the center. So once we're happy with that, let's just click create here to create our text. Now selecting the text and drag it onto the timeline on top of the color clip. And then let's get the length of these two clips to be equal. And now select the text clip, go to the effects and make sure to select the all video effects here. And then under the alpha mask and keying, look for rectangular alpha mask. Select that and apply to your text clip. Once with that, you can see that the first keyframe is automatically being inserted here, which is being added. So we can just go to the properties here, and then we want to text to be up here. So what we need to do is from the right, let's just click and drag it all the way up to remove the text. And then let's move the marker somewhere here, and then add a keyframe. And then from the right here, let's just drag this back again. And to add a nice little blur effect to the text here, we can just put up this blur somewhere to 100. So let's just type in 100 here. Okay, so let's move this somewhere here and get the outro. Selecting the clip, coming back here and add the keyframe. And then since we use the right, we can use the left. Either way is okay. So once we have that, let's move the marker to somewhere here and get the add another keyframe. And then from the left, let's just drag this all the way to hide the text. And one thing to do also is to select each of this keyframe, and in the keyframe interpolation here, just click and select smooth. So let's do that for another one. Select this and smooth. Do this for this other one. And the final one. And once we're done with that, that's it. So here is the final animation. So thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do that. Then that's a big help to us. And thank you for all that have been subscribed to our channel. Thank you very much, and see you back again in another video.